Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, people on YouTube, and welcome back to William in Japan. Today you join me in my home office, and we have some goodies that has finally reached us. GB Racing alternator cover. It should be the clutch cover, and yep, the timing belt cover. So yep, 3 quick covers to be put on the engine. Some good old carbon fiber goodies. This, I think, should be the extended rear hugger. Yep, I am correct. Come on out. Whoa, look at that, guys. Look at that beauty. CarbonFBR, guys. Quality products at a reasonable price. Also have, I think these are the seat panels. I'm going to do a little work on these, so we will have to wait. Oop, someone's at the door. Anyways, let's head to the garage. Right folks, before we start, I really want to show you how Triumph's engineers actually dropped the ball. Over here is the clutch cable, very obviously, and this little metal bracket holding all the cables in place. It rubs against the clutch cable, and the rubber outside is actually already broken. That's why I wrapped it all up and actually put a sponge around it. So today, this afternoon, I'm going to the dealer. I'm going to open it up and show it to them anyways, so I'll let you guys have a look too. Alright, so you can see over here if I push it aside, as I mentioned, the metal bracket has been rubbing on the clutch cable and has went through the rubber already. Rust has been forming, so hopefully this will be covered by warranty, but again, we'll have to see what the dealer has to say. Alright, on with the hugger and the engine covers. Alright, we'll work on the rear hugger first. First of all, sorry for all the filth. I had been commuting in rain. It's very simple. First bolt, gonna get it in there so you guys can see. 1, 2, 3 bolts, and 1 behind the swing arm over there. Might be a bit hard to get to, but we'll see. Alright, on with it. Alright, bad news guys. That bolt over there is so hard to get to. You have to actually remove the wheel, and that's not something I want to do today, or nor do I have the tools. So let's get on with the engine covers. Alright folks, clutch cover first. Very simple. 4 bolts. 1, it's this one, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, let's get on with it. Right, 4 bolts out, 4 bolts back in. We need 8 Newton meters. Let's get that set. Right, let's go. Okay, that was the clutch cover. Unfortunately, my torque wrench doesn't have 8 Newton meters. That was freehand, which is a very bad idea, so I'm going to ask my dealer to recheck the torque specs today. Alright, on with the next one. Right, looks like another 4 bolts. One, 2, 3, 4. Alright guys, last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bolts to go. And we are done. And guys, that's it. All 3 covers on, and that's all the tinkering I'll be doing for today. Gonna get a proper torque wrench right now and check these torque specs for both sides, and hopefully I didn't over torque them.
The next day.
Alright folks, believe it or not, this is the very next day and it's gotten extremely cold. Got the right torque wrench, so I'm gonna check my torque numbers and see if I have actually over torqued it or not. Okay, there we go, 8 Newton meters. Okay, that will be it. Alright, thanks for joining me. This has been William, and see you next time. Bye bye.